Hey y'all, it's Dr. Know-It-All. So here's a nice little announcement. We are traveling to Texas starting tomorrow morning. That would be, oh gosh, July 30th. So that would be it. Somewhere around 6 o'clock in the morning, we will be heading down and we will be, road tripping. We're going to go to Boca Chica and Starbase. And then on Wednesday, we're going to drive to Austin because supposedly, I still don't have the QR code, but supposedly I have an entry into the Tesla Annual Shareholders Meeting next Thursday. So that's really cool. And I'm sitting by my Starlink satellite because this is the RV satellite, so why not take it in the Model 3 and give it a little bit of a trial run, test it out, and let it see what it does on the trip. So we will be taking this with us. I think it's going to fit in the frunk. I hope it does, and that would be a nice place to keep it. Anyway, if you want to keep up, I will be trying to post on Twitter like the next supercharger stop that we'll be going to on the road trip. So, keep an eye out on Twitter, and if you see that and if you happen to live in the area, I'll do my best to approximate when we'll be there. But it's a white Tesla Model Y with a AI student driver and the Dr. Know-It-All, bumper sticker on it. So pretty easy to see when we get there. But anyway, yeah, we'll be doing that. And of course, for people on Patreon, on Discord, so my Patreon patrons on Discord, I will be posting the exact route and as close as I can get to the proper times on there so that you all have the itinerary. Anyway, so if you if you live along the route, come say hi at the supercharger. If you are going to be in Starbase or in Austin next week, definitely make a point of saying hi to me. I would love to say hi to you. So anyway, I'm very excited about this. This will be this will be an exciting trip. It's been April of 2021 was the last time we were in either of those places. No, not including, sorry, it was April of this year when we were in Austin for the Cyber Rodeo, but for Starbase, it was April of last year. So I'm sure it's going to look very different. Anyway, expect a bunch of live videos on the way. It'll be less produced than normal because of our road tripping and stuff. And, but in the meantime, tomorrow morning, I'm working on a video today that should be very exciting and still studio produced. It's about the Giga Press. So I'm really excited to release that one. And, once you watch that video, we will be on the road by then. So anyway, keep up on Twitter. If you're a Patreon patron, keep up on Discord. And I hopefully will see a whole bunch of you during the trip. And also look for Ursa Miner, M-I-N-E-R, for the Starlink thing. And we'll be taking that along too and doing some broadcasts from there. So, all right, everybody have a lovely Friday. I've got to mow the lawn. This lawn is a complete mess. So at some point before tomorrow morning, I need to get the lawn mowed. But anyway, in the meantime, we're looking forward to our trip. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.